In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an archived task in ClickUp. If you've archived a task and now need to bring it back up for reference, review, or further action, ClickUp makes it fairly simple once you know where to look. The key thing to remember is that archived tasks are usually hidden from your normal view, so you'll need to enable that archived content before the task becomes visible again. To get started, open ClickUp and make sure you're in the correct workspace where the archived task is stored. This is important because if you're working in multiple workspaces, the task will only appear in the one where it was originally created. Once you're in the right workspace, navigate to the space, folder or list where the task was located before it was archived. Try to be as specific as possible here, because archived tasks will only show up in the location they belong to. If you're not in the correct area, you may not see the task even after turning on archived items. After that, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional viewing and management options for the area you're currently in. It's a small step, but it's where you'll find the setting that reveals archived content. From the menu, select Show Archived. As soon as you do this, ClickUp will update the task list to include items that were previously hidden, because they were archived. This is the main setting that allows you to access older or inactive tasks without changing anything else in your workspace. Now that archived items are visible, the archived task should appear in the task list. Depending on how many tasks are in that location, you may need to scan through the list carefully to find it. In some cases, archived tasks may look slightly different from active tasks, so take your time and confirm you found the correct one. Once you see the archived task, click on it to open and view its details. From there, you can review the task information, check descriptions, comments, attachments, or anything else associated with it. That's all there is to it. This is a quick and useful way to locate archived tasks in ClickUp whenever you need to revisit past work. Thanks for watching.